Hi, welcome back to Blue Pea Papery. For those of you who follow my channel, you know that I usually do planner videos, plan with me's and creative videos, but today we have something a little bit different. This is a subscription box for Bone and Steel. It is a Viking Nordic box for those who follow the pagan path. And I thought I'd just put this on here. It's the first time I've received one of these. This is the third box so far with this company. The main company is Wolf and Thyme. And I don't usually do subscription boxes, but the two videos that I had seen for the first two boxes intrigued me and I wanted to try this. So this is the September box. It's a quarterly box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I did cut the tape already. Okay. It's got a nice stamp on the inside and it's got purple paper. Okay, this is the logo card that they put in, and it's here. It is metaphysical shop and subscription boxes. I'll put that in there, and I'll put a link below to their website if you're interested in them. I know not everybody on here is going to be interested, but this is fun, and I wanted to do this. Oops. All right, this is the September subscription, and the theme of the month is honor. And then here's a list of everything that's in the box. So I'm not going to go through that. I'm just going to go through what's in the box. Oh, wow. This smells really good. By the way, this is masculine themed. I think 99% of this type of subscription box is more feminine, divine feminine. So that's why another reason this one intrigued me. And it looks like we have 2 stinky sticks, incense, but they smell. Wow. It smells almost like Halston for men. It's a really nice fragrance. I'm going to put that off to the side. I don't know if this is still in frame, but here we go. There's a card for an honor fire ritual. Ooh. And a card on Kambaba Jasper. It comes from Madagascar and Africa. So there's an information sheet. And let's see what else we got in here. It's kind of a small box. The box subscription, I think, yeah, is $38, and then you pay shipping based on where you are. For me, that's about $15 or so. It's in the pouch. I guess this is to make something. There's a cord. It's a plastic cording. Looks like a piece of bone. A little raven skull. And some type of bead. Or maybe it's a connector. I'm not really sure. So I will have to find out what that is. This particular item is not really my style. But that's okay. It's designed for men. And there are a lot of men in my life that would like this. So my daughter's boyfriend might actually like this, but don't tell him. I think I dropped the bead. I'll have to find that before the dog does. Anyway, let's move on. Let's do this pouch. It's a black canvas pouch. Bay leaf. Okay, usually you write your intentions on your bay leaf. And another piece of, this looks like antler. That's a tip. That's antler tip, and there's no hole in it. Okay, and a candle that has some, looks like some kind of, oh, that might be fuzz from the bag. Little bag of incense. And it looks like, I'm not really sure, elderberries, rosemary, sage. I'm not sure. So that's probably part of our little fire ritual card there. Let's see, what does this have on it? Yep, bay leaf, nettle leaf, antler piece, elderberry, rosemary. Yep, okay, that's what that is. Put our bay leaf back in there. Well, that's it. Not a lot in here. Oh, wait, what's this? What's this? What's this? Oh, how cool. This is a flint and a striker we use these for camping. We used to go to Camp Jeep a lot when we still had our Jeeps. My husband was a trail guide. So this is, yeah, this is for camping, or actually fire starting. This is the Flint, and I guess it's refillable as it wears down. And then this is the striker. You strike it to get a spark over your, usually some type of fuzz or lint or fat wood, which is a wood rich in resins and stuff that ignites quickly. Basically your fire starters. So that is really cool. Okay. Ooh, this is heavy. This is heavy. Oh, wow. A Jasper sphere. I guess that's the Kambaba Jasper. That is gorgeous. It looks like an alligator. Yeah, that's pretty hefty. This right here alone is about $40. $30 to $40 at our local rock shop. Wow, that is gorgeous. And yes, I collect crystals and rocks. And seashells. Wow, that is beautiful. I don't know if you can see the color and the patterns in there. Beautiful. Yeah, that's the price of the box right there, that item alone. Let's put that off to the side. See, nope, that's it. Wow. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is definitely nice. We also belong to an organization called the Society of Creative Anachronism. And a lot of the people in our area and our local group are into Viking history, which is another reason I was intrigued by this subscription box. That is gorgeous. This is a torque type, T-O-R-C. It was used by the Celts and obviously the Vikings and the Danes, usually around the neck. But this looks like a bracelet. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at the detail on that. It's braided. Let's see. I don't know how this is supposed to fit a man. This is pretty tiny, and I have tiny wrists. It's pretty tight. Come on, get on there. Oh, yes, I like that. Really nice. I may have to fight my husband for this. Very nice. So that's what's in the box. Well, let's see what the sheet says real quick. There's our Jasper bags. Strikers. The strikers are pretty expensive too. And stinky sticks. And let's see what we've got here. This is, oh, there's an oracle card. I didn't see that. There's an oracle card in here too. Look! The nebulas form like a dragon. And this one is 23 platinum, and I have no idea what it means. I've never seen this deck before. So I'll have to look that up. It's a Dragon Path Oracle card, intuitively selected just for you from the Dragon Path Oracle deck. Perfect to put on your altar, inside your journal, or to meditate with. Focus on what was selected for you and remember your mystical message. Premium Kambaba Jasper, original artwork prints, a flint rod and starter set, dragon head arm ring. It's made from solid twisted stainless steel and has the Viking dragon head on each end. Said that the Viking leaders and warriors used to swear allegiance and loyalty to each other until death. During this ritual, the leaders would give their warriors arm rings as a binding factor of their oath, which is typical. I mean, we getting, wedding rings for the same reason, an oath of fealty. This ring can symbolize your loyalty to what you believe, your own deities, to your path, or to whom you love. It is your sacred oath to choose on your own. And then there's the Honor Fire or Ritual Kit Bag, an amulet crafting kit, and forest resin incense sticks for smudging and cleansing. Well, that forest resin smells like Halston for men, so I like it. It smells good. I hear there, stinky sticks. And that's it. So I'm signed up for the December box. We'll see what that is as well. And hit the subscription button and the like button and comment below if you want to see the December box as well. I may continue with this into the new year as well. I really like this. We'll see how the second box goes. So there we go. And I promise I'll be back soon with some more planner videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Again, hit the like and subscribe button below and the bell for notifications so you know when new videos come up.